Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can very quickly and easily disable Siri on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video, and also write your comments. And let's get on with the topic, friends. If for some reason you've decided to disable Siri on your iPhone, it's very easy to do. And now I'm going to show you some simple steps. First of all, open the settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and find the Siri option. Navigate to it. And now you will need to find an option called Talk to Siri. Once you open this option, the only thing you will need to do is to click off. Next, simply confirm your action. And then when you say Siri or Hey Siri, your iPhone will no longer respond to those commands because you've turned that option off. With this quick method, you can easily disable Siri on any iPhone. I hope this video was useful to you. Please friends, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.